Welcome back for the next lecture of the hydraulic engineering. We are discussing about the unit number 1, that is the introduction to open channel flow. And in the previous lecture, we have discussed about the velocity measurement in an open channel flow by using the Pitot tube, current meter, and the fluids and their various types. Okay, which that velocity after measurement by this instrument is used for the measurement of the discharge passing through the particular channel section. That part we have discussed. Now we'll go for the next part, that is the last point from the unit number 1, that is the most efficient triangular channel section. Now just consider a triangular channel section as A, B, C, which carries the water at a depth of a flow as a y meters. Then we have assumed it's a half of the apex angle. This ABC is the apex angle, total we can say. Half of that we have assumed as a theta, that is the angle ABD and angle CBD as a theta. Then slope of the slanting edges as a 1 as to z, that is a 1 vertical as to z horizontal. Okay?
सर आवाज ब्रेक होतोय तुमचा.
The top width of this particular channel section we are going to assume as a small b, that is AC we can say. AC is equals to B, and that will be AD plus DC we can say. As for this triangle, AD is equals to CD, means we can write the base width B is equals to 2 times AD or 2 times the CD. Okay, so those are our assumptions. So what we assume, flow depth as a Y, then semi-central angle, or sorry, half of the apex angle B as a theta on both the sides, slope of the slanting edges as 1 as to Z, and the top width of this triangular channel section as a small b. Okay, now though we are finding that the surface is undulating here in water surface, we are assuming it as a horizontal one. Okay, if we'll assume this surface as a horizontal exactly for both the sides, that is AD and DC we can say, then this is nothing but the 90-degree angle. So this will be the 90-degree angle, and the triangle ADB and triangle CDB will be the right angle triangles. Okay, so as they are the right angle triangles, so it means we will be able to take trigonometric, we will be able to apply the trigonometric equations, that is a sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, etc., etc. So therefore we will consider one of the triangle, either ADB or the ADC we can say. So we'll go for the triangle ADB or ABD we can say, and in this triangle it will go for the sine of the theta. Sine theta, what will be the sine theta for triangle ABD, where D is a 90-degree and angle B is a theta. So sine theta, what is the sine theta for this case?
Opposite upon hypotenuse.
Right.
AD upon AB.
Right. AB upon AD. Okay. AD upon AB. Sorry. AD. That
AD
is
upon AB.
opposite side is AD, isn't it?
AD upon AB.
AD upon AB we can say, isn't it? So from this we will get as an AB is equals to AD sine of the theta. Is it correct? AB is equals to AD. No. It will be AD by sine theta.
Equal to AB sin theta.
AB will be AD upon sine theta, na? Isn't it? So that is AB is equals to 1 by sine means cosec. It is a cosec theta. Just I am having those trying to have those correlations because we will be requiring further. Okay, then if you take the cos of the theta in the same triangle, then cos theta will be equals to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So adjacent side is a BD upon hypotenuse as a B we can write here. Okay, so then out of that BD is a Y, so that is a AB cos of the theta is equals to y. B to the D, that is the depth of the flow we can say here. बरोबर आहे का बघा? अरे बरोबर आहे का?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so y will be equals to, sorry, AB will be equals to काय लिहिलं बघा आता? Just rearrange it. AB equals to y by cos theta, and 1 by cos theta is a sec theta. That is equals to y times sec theta. हे आपल्याला रिलेशन सगळे पुढे लागणार आहेत, त्याच्यामुळे मी सगळे डिराइव्ह करून घेतलेले आहेत. Then tan of the theta. What is the tan theta for this triangle? Tan theta,
Opposite upon adjacent. AD upon BD.
right? That is AD upon BD. Okay. Now the B to the D is nothing but our B to the D is our y. Okay, so we'll put up the values now. That is a tan theta is equals to AD upon y. That is AD is equals to y tan theta. Okay, AD is equals to y tan theta. Just a minute. From this AD now we will get the total top width of the channel, that is a B we can say. So therefore B is equals to AD plus CD, and AD is equals to CD. So I would like to write as a AD plus AD. Why is it so? Because AD is equals to CD. Okay. So now put up the value for the AD. AD is the y tan theta. So that is equals to AD plus AD as a twice AD. Means it will be directly as a 2y tan theta. It is a top width or a total top width of B of this particular triangular channel section. Okay, understood up to this? Okay. Now next things we have to go for, it's a weighted area, weighted perimeter, because we are knowing that the channel section is the most economical if its a weighted perimeter is a minimum, isn't it? So we are going to have a relationship for the weighted area, weighted perimeter, and hydraulic radius. Okay, so firstly we'll go for the area. So area, weighted area of this triangle. So what is the formula? By formula we can write 1/2 of base into the height. So that will be equals to 1/2. What is the base for this triangle?
Small B.
Small b, right? Into what is the height?
Y. Y.
5. So that is equals to 1/2. B we are knowing, that is a 2y tan theta. That is a 2y tan theta into the height as a y. So 2 will get cancelled. So what else remain for the weighted area? A is equals to
y square tan theta.
y square tan theta. Equation number 1 we will write here. Okay, that is the weighted area for this particular channel section. So now from this equation only we will get the relation for the y. So that is a y square is equals to a upon tan theta. That is a y is equals to root of a upon tan of the theta. Okay, this equation we will require in further steps. That's why I'm deriving over here. हे आपल्याला पुढे लागणार आहे, त्याच्यामुळे मी त्याला डिराइव्ह केलेला आहे. ओके, हा झाला आपला वेटेड एरिया झाला. तर पुढे जाऊन काय करायचं आहे? वेटेड पेरिमीटर फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. सो फाइंड विल द पेरिमीटर पी हियर, वेटेड पेरिमीटर फॉर दिस स्केच. कोणाचं समेशन असेल रे?
2y.
वेटेड पेरिमीटर पी, वेटेड पेरिमीटर. पाणी वाहत असताना वाहणाऱ्या
BC and CD.
BC and
and AB. AB
पानी
and BC.
AB and BC. AB and BC.
2Y.
AB and 2Y. नो, पाणी वाहत असताना या ट्रायंग्युलर चॅनल सेक्शन मधनं त्या पाण्याने या चॅनल सेक्शनच्या किती लॉंग डायमेन्शन ओली केली, म्हणजे तो झाला वेटेड पेरिमीटर. मग कोणकोणती बाजू ओली होईल इथं? वी साइड्स दॅट व्हॉट इज
AB and BC.
AB
and
and
BC.
BC. ओके, AC हा टॉप सरफेस आहे पाण्याचा वाहणारा. ओके, AC हा टॉप सरफेस आहे, तर तो वरती जे ऍटमॉस्फिअर असणार आहे, ओपन टू ऍटमॉस्फिअर असणार आहे. म्हणजे साइड्स कोणत्या कोणत्या ओल्या होणार, तर AB आणि BC मीन्स द साइड्स दोज आर गोइंग टू वेट हिअर ड्यू टू द फ्लोइंग वॉटर, दोज विल बी AB and BC. So the weighted perimeter P will be equals to weighted perimeter P is equals to summation of AB and BC. P is equals to AB plus BC, and again we are knowing that AB and the BC are the same one because both are having the same side slope, isn't it? Both are having the same angle with respect to the vertical, we can say. So that's why they will the same one. So that is equals to AB plus AB. And now AB we are knowing. What is the AB? What is the AB?
Bisect theta. Bisect theta and AD cosec theta दोन्ही पण आहेत.
AB is equals to AD cosec theta आहे, परंतु AD च्या टर्म मध्ये जरी घेतलं तर ते पुन्हा बरोबर आपल्याला sec theta मध्ये येऊन जाणार आहे. Okay, so what will go directly will go for y sec theta, isn't it? So that will be equals to 2 into y sec theta. 2y sec theta is now the weighted perimeter. What will be the hydraulic radius R? R is equals to
Area upon perimeter.
right. So weighted area is a y square tan theta. So I'd like to write here as a y square tan theta upon perimeter as a 2y sec theta. We can simplify it, or if you will keep as it is, then also it works. Okay, it doesn't make any sense. We are going to have a separate relation for this. Give it as equation number 4. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find out the dimensions for this triangular channel section so that it will be most economical. आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, y आणि b किंवा थीटा जे आहे त्या थीटाची व्हॅल्यू अशा पद्धतीने काढायची आहे की जेणेकरून तो ट्रायंग्युलर सेक्शन जो आहे तो मोस्ट इकॉनॉमिकल असेल. मग त्यासाठी आपल्याला कंडिशन काय माहिती आहे की चॅनल सेक्शन हा मोस्ट इकॉनॉमिकल तेव्हा असतो जेव्हा तो कमीत कमी वेटेड पेरिमीटरला जास्तीत जास्त डिस्चार्ज पास करतो. कमीत कमी वेटेड पेरिमीटर पी ला तो जास्तीत जास्त डिस्चार्ज पास करतो. म्हणजेच काय, तर वेटेड पेरिमीटर जो असणार आहे या चॅनल सेक्शनचा तो मिनिमम असायला पाहिजे आहे. यानी कि यहाँ पे जो वेटेड पेरिमीटर होगा वो वेटेड पेरिमीटर मस्ट बी मिनिमम. एंड फॉर दैट केस व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, we are going to differentiate the weighted perimeter P with respect to the theta, and we are going to equate it to the 0, so that we will get magnitude of the y. Okay, so written below, for most economical condition, for most economical condition, क्या होना चाहिए रे मोस्ट इकोनॉमिकल कंडीशन के लिए?
Weighted area should be.
P should be minimum. Okay, weighted perimeter must be a minimum. Okay, so that condition we will go for now. So next line, differentiating P with respect to theta and equating to 0, that is dP by d theta is equals to 0. That is equals to d by d theta of weighted perimeter is a 2y sec theta is equals to 0. Now sec theta is there, in this theta term is there, but y is also there. That is also another one variable we can say. We can't say it is a constant one. Okay, so for this y we will be able to correlate the y in terms of the term of a theta. मग ती कुठून येईल आपली एरिया ए वर येईल. तर आपण केलं बघा इथं आठवतंय बघा y इज इक्वल्स टू रूट ए बाय टॅन थिटा, ज्याच्यामध्ये टॅन थिटा येतो म्हणजे थिटाची टर्म येते. So from equation 2 we will put up the value of the y in this equation. So therefore d by d theta of 2 into y as, तो y म्हणजे काय येणार रे रूट a by tan theta into the sec theta is equals to 0. 2 हे कॉन्स्टंट आहे मी त्याला आउटसाइडला घेतो. So that is a 2 into d by d theta of a by root tan theta, sorry दोघांना रूट आहे कॉमन नाही का ते, a by tan theta that is a whole term is under root into a sec theta equals to 0. हा theta आहे. So now how to differentiate this? Okay, how to differentiate this now? कसं डिफरन्शिएट करायचं रे त्याला? दोन टर्म आहेत थीटाच्या, एक 1 बाय टॅन थीटा आहे, सॉरी 1 अपॉन टॅन थीटा. ए हा कॉन्स्टंट आहे त्याच्यामुळे तो बाहेर निघून जाईल. सो रूट टॅन थीटा दॅट इज 1 बाय रूट टॅन थीटा आणि दुसरी टर्म आहे सेक थीटा. सो हाऊ टू डिफरन्शिएट इट? कोणता रूल वापरतात रे डिफरन्शिएट करण्यासाठी? असं
UV रूल.
युव्ही रूल वापरूया. ओके, किंवा यू बाय व्ही जरी घेतला तरी चालेल, म्हणजे सेक थीटा अपॉन टॅन थीटा वाला जरी रूल घेतला आपण तरी आपल्याला तो वर्कआउट होणार आहे. ओके, सो विल गो फॉर दॅट वन. ओके, मी आणखी सिम्प्लिफाय करतो म्हणजे तुमच्या लगेच लक्षात येईल ते. आय विल गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट पेज और आय विल हॅव टू गो फॉर दिस साइड. Here we have a space, so that is I would like to take the common terms outside, that is 2 into root a, okay, into d by d theta of sec theta upon root tan theta, sec theta upon root of tan theta. Okay, so here we will be able to apply the u by v rule. u by v rules काय सांगतो u by v rule? u by v rule काय सांगतो? d by dx or dy by dx of u by v काय सांगतो? काय फॉर्म्युला आठवतंय का बघा? v into du by dx. हा, माइनस की प्लस? माइनस u into dv by dx डिवाइडेड बाय v स्क्वेअर. हा आपला रूल आहे u बाय v चा. इथे u म्हणजे काय घ्यायचं? u म्हणजे न्यूमरेटर म्हणजे सेक थीटा असेल आणि v म्हणजे कोण असेल? रूट टॅन थीटा असेल. सो विल गो फॉर दॅट. सो दॅट इज इक्वल्स टू, that will be equals to 0. So that is the 2 root a as the outside into first term, that is a phi. Phi means now here root tan theta. I would like to go for a bracket, that is a root of tan theta into d by d theta of a sec theta. काय आहे sec theta चा डिफरन्शिएशन? डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय आहे sec theta चं? sec theta into tan theta. आठवतंय का बघा काय? Is this is a sec theta into tan theta? Root tan theta. So write down here is sec theta into tan theta. हे झालं पहिलं डिफरन्शिएशन आपलं. मायनस सेकंड मध्ये कोण आहे पहिला? u as it is. u म्हणजे कोण? sec theta. sec theta as it is into d by d theta of a root tan theta. d by d theta of a root tan theta. रूट x चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय असतं रे? रूट x. What is the differentiation of a root x? वन बाय टू रूट एक्स. बरोबर आहे का? इफ आय एम रॉंग प्लीज डू करेक्ट मी. The differentiation of the root x is a 1 by 2 root x into dy by dx of x राहतो आणि त्या x differentiation 1 राहतो. Okay, त्यामुळे आपल्याला 1 लिहितो. So how we will write here in sec theta into 1 upon 2 root tan theta into d by d theta of a tan theta. This is a differentiation of a root tan theta. 1 by 2 root tan theta into d by d theta of a tan theta whole divided by a phi square. So term of phi here is a root tan theta, isn't it? Root tan theta is our phi, so that's a square, means it will be only a tan theta. Now just simplify it. That whole term will be equals to 0, huh? So that will be 2 root a. I would like to take this tan theta as outside for some time. Tan theta I have taken outside, which is dividing for a whole term. In bracket, root tan theta into sec theta is there. So I'd like to write in a simple way, that is a tan theta into root tan theta into sec theta. Sorry. Sec theta is once, na? Only one sec theta is there, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that will be the sec theta only minus. Now here sec theta upon 2 root tan theta into tan theta is there. Okay, sec theta upon 2 root tan theta into d by d theta of tan theta is there. Means that differentiation will be required to go for firstly. That is a sec theta upon 2 root tan theta into d by d theta upon tan theta. Tan theta is a differentiation. That is a tan theta sec theta. बरोबर का की sec square theta. tan theta चं डिफरन्शिएशन काय असतं? डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय आहे tan theta चं? Derivative of tan theta with respect to the theta, that is a sec square theta. Okay, now here we will be required to make the denominator as the same one. इथं छेद 2 by root, sorry, 1 by root 2 tan theta याचा छेद 1 आहे. We will go for making the denominator as the same one by the LCM. Okay, so we'll have the equation like this. Firstly, I would like to go for a breaking line here, so that we'll get an idea that what I want to say and what we want to move for. Okay, now go for here. We'll go for that whole term is equals to 0. That is equals to a 0. Now simplify it. That is a 2 root a upon tan of the theta in bracket. त्याचा छेद समान करायचा आहे म्हणजे काय करू आपल्याला या टर्मने याला मल्टिप्लाय ने डिवाइड करावं लागेल. सो आय वुड हॅव टू गो फॉर दॅट इज अ 2 रूट tan theta upon 2 root tan theta into the first term, that is a tan theta into root tan theta into sec theta into sec of the theta minus sec theta into sec square theta, that is a sec cube theta, we can say sec cube theta. And now for this term the denominator is already a 2 root tan theta is there. Okay, so now the denominator is the same, छेद दोघांचा सेम आहे, 2 root tan theta, 2 root tan theta. We'll take as a common one, that's equals to 0. That is a 2 root a into, पहिले याचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन करून घेऊया. 2 root tan theta into root tan theta म्हणजे किती येतं रे? root tan theta into tan theta म्हणजे किती?
3 root tan theta.
हे एकदा tan किती आहे? root tan into root tan म्हणजे tan into tan आहे म्हणजे काय येणार? tan स्क्वेअर येणार. म्हणजे काय येणार ही टर्म? एक मिनिट,
tan square.
2 tan square theta.
तर 2 upon root a त्याच्या डिवाइड tan theta आहे ना?
हे दोघांसाठी कॉमन आहे. हे इथे बी आहे आणि इथे मी कॉमन घेतो त्याला, कारण
ब्रॅकेटच्या बाहेर.
ते आपल्याला सिंपल होईल. म्हणजे ही टर्म पूर्णपणे बाहेर टाकली काढून की आपल्याला ते इक्विवेट करायला सोपं होईल. सो आय वुड हॅव टू टेक एज अ कॉमन. 2 रूट tan थिटा. आता इक्वल्स टू 0 आहे म्हणजे हे पूर्णपणे 0 होऊन जाईल डायरेक्टली तिकडे घेतलं की. तर याच्यामध्ये काय शिल्लक राहील? हे दोघांना सेम आहे ना, बघा इथं 2 रूट tan थिटा, 2 रूट tan थिटा.
सर 2 रूट tan थिटा बाय tan थिटा आहे ना,
हा
ते tan थिटा
नाही
आणि
आपण हे मल्टिप्लाय आणि डिवाइड केले का, जेणेकरून याचा जो छेद आहे इथं बघा, याला छेद 1 आहे आणि याला छेद किती आहे? 1/2 रूट tan थिटा आहे. मग याचा डिनॉमिनेटर म्हणजे छेद याच्या एवढा करण्यासाठी आपण काय केलं, याच्या छेदाने मल्टिप्लाय आणि डिवाइड केलं.
ते पण कळालं.
तर ते
ते,
समजलं. 2 रूट
ब्रॅकेटच्या बाहेर लेफ्ट साइडला स्टार्टिंगचा आहे ना,
हा
तिथं tan
वरती tan थिटा आहे.
आहे. तिथं खाली
तिकडचं
घेतलं
tan थिटा
ओके ओके
हा, तुम्ही
that tan theta.
खाली नाहीये.
Okay. I got the thing now. What we want to say. Just a minute. I would like to go for that. Just a minute. I would like to rub this tape and once again I will go for. हा. So काय इथं शिल्लक आपल्याकडे 2 रूट a upon tan theta into 2 रूट tan theta. बरोबर आहे का? आउटसाइड येणार सगळं मटेरियल हे
हा
इंटू ब्रॅकेट.
हा, सर.
आता बरोबर आहे ना?
हो
हा
सर.
सर
आता काय काय शिल्लक राहील मग हे 2 आहे तसं राहील पहिल्या मधलं. त्यानंतर रूट टॅन इंटू रूट टॅन म्हणजे टॅन इंटू टॅन म्हणजे टॅन स्क्वेअर. टॅन स्क्वेअर थिटा इंटू सेक थिटा मायनस सेक क्यूब थिटा. ओके इज इक्वल्स टू 0. आता ही पूर्ण टर्म आपण इक्वेट करून टाकू, इकडच्या साईडला घेऊ. इकडे मल्टिप्लाय करते, डिवाइड करते. 0/समथिंग म्हणजे किती असतं रे?
0
म्हणजे शिल्लक करायला आपल्याकडे आता 2 tan स्क्वेअर थिटा सेक ऑफ द थिटा मायनस सेक क्यूब थिटा इज इक्वल्स टू 0. याच्यातून आणखी काय कॉमन निघते का बघा? सेक थिटा कॉमन निघेल, बरोबर आहे का?
हा
तर बाहेर घ्यायचा सेक थिटाला. सेक थिटा इन ब्रॅकेट 2 tan स्क्वेअर थिटा मायनस सेक स्क्वेअर थिटा इज इक्वल्स टू 0. बरोबर? हा सेक थिटा इकडे घेतला, 0 होऊन जाईल डायरेक्टली. तो 0/सेक थिटा मध्ये 0 होणार, बरोबर का?
हा सर
चलो नेक्स्ट लगेच शिल्लक राहील बघा आपल्याकडे 2 tan स्क्वेअर थिटा 2 tan स्क्वेअर थिटा मायनस सेक स्क्वेअर थिटा इज इक्वल्स टू 0. म्हणजेच 2 tan स्क्वेअर थिटा इज इक्वल्स टू सेक स्क्वेअर थिटा. बरोबर? तर tan स्क्वेअर म्हणजे tan म्हणजे काय रे? साइन बाय कॉस. सो 2 इंटू साइन स्क्वेअर थिटा अपॉन कॉस स्क्वेअर थिटा इज इक्वल्स टू सेक स्क्वेअर थिटा म्हणजे 1/कॉस स्क्वेअर थिटा. आता बघा कॅन्सल काय काय होईल बघा?
cos square theta.
कॉस स्क्वेअर
थिटा
ओके म्हणजे काय होईल 2 sin स्क्वेअर थिटा इज इक्वल्स टू, so that is now 2 sin square theta. Now cos square theta we are taking to the right hand side, that will be equals to cos square theta by cos square theta, and this will get cancels to each other. Cos square to cos square means we have the remaining term as 2 sin square theta is equals to 1. That is sin square theta is equals to 1/2. That is sin theta is equals to 1/√2. That is theta is equals to sin inverse 1/√2. So what is the value for theta? Sin inverse 1/√2. How many degrees? Sin inverse 1/√2. How much it is? It gives us a magnitude of a theta. थीटाच्या कोणत्या किमतीसाठी साइनची किंमत 1/√2 असते? Use the calci, you will get the answer. Theta is equals to 40
45.
degrees. Okay, it means that to have a triangular channel section as most economical, we should have its half of the apex angle as a theta. मग जर का हा थीटा हा अँगल 45 डिग्री असेल तर टोटल अपेक्स अँगल किती पाहिजे रे मग फॉर मोस्ट इकॉनॉमिकल if a theta is a 45, just now we have derived that for a theta it's a 45 degree we had and by derivation. मग हा टोटल जो अँगल आपला असेल हा थीटा 45 डिग्री म्हणजे कोणता आहे अँगल ए बी डी किंवा अँगल अँगल सी बी डी आहे. मी काय म्हणतोय तर अँगल ए बी सी हा किती असेल रे मग
90 degree. 90.
90 degrees. Okay, so write down there as angle ABC is equals to 90 degree. It means the apex angle must be 90 degree or half of the apex angle must be 45 degree. Then and only then whatever the triangular channel section will be there, that will be most economical. Understood now? अलग लक्षात.
हो सर.
Okay. मग त्याच्याप्रमाणे आपण काय करायचं आहे we want to calculate the hydraulic radius r is equals to a by p. We have written here in. Okay, r is equals to a by p. Okay, so that is a y square tan theta upon 2y sec theta. So go for that. Hydraulic radius r is equals to r is equals to a upon p. Okay, then area A is a y square tan theta upon weighted perimeter was 2y sec theta.
What?
1y will get cancelled. That is equals to tan of the theta upon
Y tan theta.
y tan theta upon 2 sec theta. Isn't it? So tan theta by sec theta. I will simplify it so that you will get an idea what I want to say. 1 by sec theta means cos theta. So firstly, I would like to go for a sec theta. It is 1 by sec theta means a cos of a theta into tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. I would like to write in a bracket. It is a sec theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. So that is equals to this cos and this cos will get cancels. So remaining is a y sin theta. Now theta is a 45. So that will be y by 2 था ना यहाँ पे. हाँ, here 2 is there. So that 2 will remain as it is. Y by 2. Sin theta by 2 will be there. It is a y upon 2 into 1 by root 2. So in a simple language we can say it will be y by 2 root 2. This is a hydraulic radius r for the most efficient triangular channel section. Understood? Understood about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now there were some of the numericals related to this, but those were for the normal product and changes in Manning's equation. Okay, so for the part of the things, we can say that if the y is given to you and if the hydraulic radius r is asked, then what will be magnitude for that? That will go for. So we'll go for the one of the example. If example number 1 will go for if the depth of the flow, if the depth of a flow in a triangular channel section, in a triangular channel we can say is 3 meters, then what should be or what will be, we can say what should be hydraulic radius r if it's a most economical channel section. If it's most economical channel section. किती येईल रे व्हॅल्यू त्याचं?
1.060.
Most economical section. Okay, so we are knowing the condition. What they had given us? They had given us the depth of the flow, that is a y is equals to 3 meters. And for most economical section, we are knowing hydraulic radius r is equals to y upon 2 root 2. So that will be equals to 3 by 2 into root 2. So what is the answer? Final answer?
1.060.
1.06 meters. That will be the hydraulic radius r for this triangular channel section, which is most economical. Perimeter. So if you want to go for the weighted area A and the weighted perimeter P for the same case, then we will have the weighted area A is equals to, what is the equation for the weighted area A?
Tan theta. Y square tan theta.
Y
Where
square,
can
y square tan of the theta. So we'll go for that. Weighted area A is equals to y square tan theta. That is equals to y is a 3. It is a 3 square into, as a channel section is the most economical, so theta will be 45 degree. Okay, and tan 45 is a 1. Is it correct?
9 येते 9.
So area will be 9 square meter. का बरं 9 आलं? कारण tan 45 ची किंमत ही 1 असते. Okay, so हा झाला weighted area. Similarly, weighted perimeter P is equals to, first tell me the equation. P is equals to
2y sec theta.
2y sec theta, that is 2 into y as a 3. Sec theta means 1 by cos theta, that is equals to 2 into 3 as a sec 6 upon cos 45. Cos 45 is a, how much it is? Is it 1 by root 2 or root 2? What is the answer for weighted perimeter P? 6 by cos 45. You will get the answer. Theta I have quoted directly as a 45 because channel section is the most economical. What is the value?
7.898.
7.898.
नाही सर 8.48 येते.
8.48. Please do check the answers. 6 upon cos 45.
7.89 च येते सर.
Please do check the answers.
8.48 correct आहे sir.
So we'll go for next example. That is a flow depth as a 5 meter. Okay, and we have to find out hydraulic radius R, weighted area A, and weighted perimeter P for the triangular channel section, which is most economical. Okay, so now we'll go for the solution part. So we are knowing that we'll go for stepwise. Firstly, can we go for the area, then perimeter likewise? Yeah, you want to go for radius firstly. Which entity you want to go for firstly?
R.
R. Okay, so we'll go for hydraulic radius R is equals to A upon P. आपण इथं जर का A आणि P ज्या व्हॅल्यू मिळाल्या आपल्याला त्या दोन्ही जर का एकत्र ठेवल्या तरी सुद्धा आपल्याला हायड्रॉलिक रेडियस R मिळू शकते का बघा. इफ यू गो फॉर 9, या केस मध्ये जर का तुम्ही चेक केलं A by P केला म्हणजे 9 डिवाइडेड बाय 8.48 केला तर आन्सर 1.06 येते का चेक करा. तेवढंच यायला पाहिजे. Okay, so you can go.
करेक्ट येते.
करेक्ट येते ना. दॅट्स द करेक्ट वन, कारण ते यायलाच पाहिजे आहे. ओके, कारण आपण त्याच्यावरून आपण डेरिव्हेशन डिराइव्ह केलेलं होतं. चलो लेट इट बी. R इज इक्वल्स टू A by P. म्हणजेच काय होतं, हा डायरेक्टली लिहित होता y अपॉन 2 root 2. Y by 2 root 2, that is equals to y as a 5 upon 2 root 2. So what is the answer for hydraulic radius?
1.767.
1.767.
1.767 meters. Okay. Then weighted area A, that is a y square tan theta. That is equals to y square, the product square, that is a 5 square into tan 45.
25.
25.
25. Yes.
25. कारण tan 45 1 असणार. So square of the 5 is a 25 square meter. And lastly, the weighted perimeter P, which is equals to 2y sec theta. That is equals to 2y upon sec theta means cos theta. That is equals to 2 into y as a 5 upon cos 45. That is equals to
14.40.
14.142. 14.142.
14.142 meters. Okay. Now check that hydraulic radius by A and P.
इथे सर बरोबर.
येते ना बरोबर?
सर.
Okay, it means that whatever the values which we have calculated, those are exactly the correct one or matching with the whatever the values we have calculated. Okay, understood about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.